How to fix page unresponsive error in Google Chrome. The first solution for what you can do is you can just exit the page or refresh. Moving on, you want to clear your Google Chrome cookies. For that, head to the three-dot icon, then head to Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security, under which you'll find Clear Browsing Data. Make sure that you check cookies and other site, then your cached images and your files. Now go ahead and clear your data. Moving on to the third solution, you want to disable all of your extensions. You have to click on the Extensions tab that is on the top right, then select Manage Extensions. You want to disable all of these. Now let's check if your Google Chrome is updated to the latest version. For that, again click on the three-dot icon. Then this time you want to head to Help, then select About Google Chrome. This is automatically going to check for any updates, and it is going to update it for you. Now you want to turn off your hardware acceleration. For that, again head to Settings. Now you want to search for hardware acceleration. So here you can see use hardware acceleration when available. You want to make sure that you turn off the toggle for this one. Moving on, we're going to check if our graphic card driver is up to date. For that, you want to head to Intel. This is the website that you want to go to, that is www.intel.com. You want to search for Intel card driver and make sure that you download the latest version available for your device. Finally, if nothing works out, then you want to try resetting your system. So head to Settings for that, and you want to go to Reset Settings. Click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, then reset all of it. After you do that, the Google Chrome should work fine. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.